Let's make your first map with CARTO. Once you signed in to the CARTO workspace at app.carto.com, the first thing you'll need to do is connect to your cloud data warehouse. You can do this from the Connections tab in your workspace. Choose your cloud data warehouse, we're using Google BigQuery in this example, and fill in your credentials. Then click Connect. Once you're successfully connected, you'll see your connection listed in the Connections tab, and now we can start mapping. Head to the Data Explorer tab, where you'll be able to preview and manage your data. Once you've found the table you want to map, select Create Map. You'll be taken to a new map with your table preloaded. Here's where the fun starts. In the Layer panel, click on your layer name, for us that's collisions, to open the styling window to change your layer's symbology. There are lots of different options available, from point clustering to heat maps to 3D extrusions. We're going to visualize the point density of our table. Want your map to have more of a dashboard feel to it? Head to the widget panel to add some widgets to help your users explore the data. We're adding a count formula widget and a pie chart widget to break the collisions down by borough. Our map users can interact with these widgets to filter them to the data of interest. Now, let's head to the Interactions menu to add some pop-ups to allow users to explore individual data points. Once you're happy with your map, head to the Share menu at the top of the screen to share with colleagues or a wider audience. CARTO's mapping platform offers wide-ranging customization and interaction capabilities to help your users easily and quickly gain insights from your analysis. Want to learn more? Head to the CARTO Academy.